Welcome to third standard science class video session. In today's session we are going to learn about breathing or respiration. It involves two processes, namely inhalation and exhalation. Let us go into the session. In this session we are going to learn about breathing or respiration. What is breathing in simple words? Breathing or ventilation is the process of moving air into and out of the lungs to facilitate gas exchange with the internal environment, mostly to bring in oxygen and flush out carbon dioxide. The body's circulatory system transports these gases to and from the cells where cellular respiration takes place. Now get into the concept breathing or respiration. It involves two processes. They are inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation, which refer breathing in, and exhalation, which refer to breathing out. Let us do and discuss. Keep your finger near your nose and breathe. Do you feel air on your fingers? Yes. Try to count how many times you breathe in a minute. A normal breathing rate for an adult at rest is 8 to 16 breaths per minute. Now jump 6 to 7 times. Is your breathing rate the same or is it faster? Surely it is faster. Run 100 meters and stop. Observe breathing. Here also the breathing rate is faster. So all living things need air for their survival. Plants breathe through leaves and fish breathe through gills. Humans breathe in and breathe out through lungs. How does a plant breathe? Plants breathe through stomata in the leaves. Fish breathe through gills. Humans breathe through lungs. In human, breathing or respiration involve two processes. They are inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking the air inside, and exhalation is the process of releasing the air outside. This cyclical process of inhalation and exhalation is called breathing or respiration. We take oxygen and release carbon dioxide gas while breathing. So during the inhalation process we take in oxygen, and during the exhalation we release carbon dioxide. Do you know, children, when we breathe in we take in oxygen and our chest rises up. And when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide and our chest is lowered down. What are the various breathing organs used by living things for breathing? The breathing is also referred as respiration. The process by which oxygen is taken in and distributed throughout the body of a living thing. Organs of respiration for various animals are gills, lungs, pores, which means a small hole, and a cell walls. Let us do. Tick the right one which breathes and cross the one that does not breathe. Here you saw some pictures. There are some living thing and non-living thing. You have to choose whether you have to put tick or wrong. First you saw an ant. It is a living creature, so you put tick. The second you see a razor. It's a non-living thing, so you put wrong. The third picture you have to see a monkey. It is a living thing, so you should put a tick mark. The fourth one is a tree. It is a living thing, so you put a tick mark. The last you see a toy car. There you put a wrong. The second row, the first one, you see a chair, it is a non-living thing, so you put a wrong. Then you see the children, they are the living, so you have to put a tick. Then you see a stone, it is a non-living thing, so you put wrong. Then you see a book, that is also a non-living thing, so you put a wrong. Last you see an earthworm, it is a living thing, so you put a tick. Let us write. Choose and write the correct answer for the following actions. The actions are: air moves of the lungs, the first one. The second, air goes into the lungs. The third, chest rises up. The fourth one, chest lower down. You have to write whether it is a process of inhalation or exhalation. The first one, air moves out of the lungs. It is a process of exhalation. The second one, air goes into the lungs. It is the process of inhalation. The third one, chest rises up during the process of inhalation. The fourth one, chest lower down during the process of exhalation. Try to answer. The effect of exercise on breathing. Madhi and Molly practice various exercises like walking, skipping, and running. They counted the number of times they breathed in 1 minute after each exercise and recorded the result in the bar diagram. The bar diagram, it shows the breath per minute. The activity here refers as sitting, walking, skipping, and running. Look at the bar diagram and answer the questions. Which activity raised the breathing rate the most? Is running. Here the breathing rate is 50 per minute. Which activity do you think exercised the heart muscle the least? Yes, sitting. During sitting, only 10 to 15 breath per minute. Write true, T for true and F for false. First one, they breathe more number of times when they are walking. That is a wrong statement, so you put right false. The second one, they breathe less number of times when they are sitting. It is a correct statement, so you should write true. They took 50 breath per minute when they are running. It is a correct statement, so it should put true. The last one, the more vigorous, which means active, the exercise, the greater number of breath. It is a correct statement, so you put true. So breathing refers to the process by which oxygen is taken in and distributed throughout the body of a living thing. It involves the two processes, they are inhalation and exhalation. I hope you got clear information about breathing or respiration. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.